If you've done any of our training lately, you know that we've replaced DDEV with a GitHub repository that allows you to quickly build Drupal sites with literally one click of a button. One of the questions we got this week was, well, can I move that site to a live server somewhere? Yes, you can. Hi, my name's Rod Martin. This is OS Tips from OSTraining. And as I just mentioned, yes, you can move that site from Gitpod to your own live server. Now, you're going to need command line access to do it. And if you don't have that, like you're at a shared host, well, you really can't follow these instructions. Now, there are a fair number of instructions here. There's actually 14 steps to this, so we can't possibly cover it in an OS Tips video. We've created a blog post over at OSTraining. The link is in the description below, and there's a 17-ish minute video that will take you through this each step of the way. If you're new to the terminal or Composer or Drush, again, just copy and paste the commands from the tutorial in the blog straight into your web server's terminal window. Yes, you again need terminal access to make this work. If you're on a shared host like GoDaddy or something like that, honestly, number one, you really shouldn't be on there if you're serving up Drupal sites. Number two, you really should have terminal access, command line access, to manage a Drupal site efficiently in Drupal 9 or 10 and beyond. Well, that's a pretty short tip today because, well, frankly, the bulk of the information is going to be over at OSTraining. But this is going to be super helpful if you're taking our training or if you want to build a bunch of sites for free at Gitpod and then move them to a live server later on. Well, thanks for watching today. Again, this is OS Tips from OSTraining. My name's Rod Martin. Super glad to have you here today. Would you like, subscribe? Hey, we'll see you next time.